Want to know how to sign up to AngelList by using Google or LinkedIn? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your AngelList website. So you can just simply head towards angellist.com on your web browser, and you can just simply select sign in on the top right side right here. It should be right beside contact us. So now once you have started sign in, you should be provided with various options that you can choose from. You can either go from your email address or Google or your LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, you need to link it internally. So you can just simply sign in with Google by selecting Google right here. And now once you have selected that, here should be shown a bunch of accounts. So you can just simply select an account that you have previously signed in with. If you have not, you can just simply sign in by selecting sign in. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now this is how you easily sign into AngelList using your Google account. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.